Hello everyone, my name is Nguyễn Xuân Hiệp. I am a mechanical engineering student. Today I would like to talk about a smart device that is very useful in our lives. The device I want to describe is a smart robot vacuum cleaner. It uses smart technologies at session camera and physical intel sensor. This device belongs to Hao an IT firm and it is used very day to clean our office. It's arrested automatically. First, you just press the start button or use a mobile app to control it. The robot moves around the house, detects the obstacles, and clean to floor by itself. It can also return to the changing station when the battery is low. The smartphone provides many benefits to people. It saves time and energy because people don't have to clean the floor manually. It's also very quiet and efficient, which makes life more comfortable, especially for busy family or elderly people. The robots vacuum cleaner help slow the problem of household cleaning and keep the environment clean and healthy. In the future, I think smart device like this will more common and help people like smarter and yes, sir. Like, thank you for listening.